Simplify 6x squared plus 17x plus 7, all of that divided by 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. To simplify this, we need to factor both the numerator and the denominator. So this is going to be equal to, in the numerator, we're going to factor it as 3x plus 7 times 2x plus 1. You can check very quickly. 7 times 2 is 14x. The 3x times 1 is 3x. That gives us the 17x in the middle. Now we need to factor the denominator, and the denominator factors as x plus 3 times 2x plus 1. Again, a quick check. The inner term is 3 times 2x for 6x. The outer term, x times 1 for 1x. That gives us the 7x is the middle term. Then you can see that we can remove a factor of 1 for the 2x plus 1 and the 2x plus 1, which leaves us the simplified form of this fraction, 3x plus 7 over x plus 3.